Hello, welcome to our lesson. This is Bece Science in the year 2014. These are the objectives, so we'll quickly go through the questions. Please, it's very important you get your past questions and you follow as we solve the questions together. And thanks to WAEC and WordPub for their support. God bless them. Right. So let's start. The first question: plants are different from animals because, and the answer is B, have chlorophyll. Question 2: which of the following conditions is not required for a current to flow through an electric circuit? The answer is D. A bulb must be connected in the circuit. It's not required. Question 3. Which of the following examples is a source of energy? And the answer is D. Wood. It's not electricity and it's not heat because they are all forms of energy. The source here is wood. Right, so let's move on to the next question, which is question 4. So question 4. Heat is transferred from the bottom of water in a container to the top by, the answer is B, convection. Question 5. A mercury thermometer works on the principle that liquid expands on heating and contracts on cooling. That is C. Question 6. In which of the positions QRST in the diagram below will a body have the greatest potential energy? And that is R. Therefore, the answer is B. Question 7. A solar cell produces electrical energy from? Yes. So the answer to question 7 is light. A solar cell produces electrical energy from light. Question 8. In a third class lever, the effort is between the load and the pivot. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 9. At which positions S, R, Q, and P on the lever in the diagram below must a force be applied to lift load most easily? And question 9, our answer is the point P. Yes, point P. Therefore, answer is A. Question 10. Which of the following machines works on the same principle as inclined plane? And question 10, our answer is wheelbarrow. B. Question 11. Power is defined as rate of doing work. C. Question 12. Which of the following food substances is not involved in the respiration? Which of them is not involved in respiration? And the answer is D, vitamins. Question 13. Which of the following organisms is at the beginning of food chain? Remember, food chain must always begin with a producer, which is a green plant. Therefore, our answer is B, grass. Question 14. The human male sex cell that takes part in reproduction is the and the answer is sperm. That is C. 15. The removal of waste products from the cells of organisms is called, the answer is D, excretion. 16. The central nervous system consists of, the answer is C, the brain and the spinal cord. Question 17. Which of the following life processes is not performed by all living things? The answer is B, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis applies to only green plants. So the answer is B. 18. All the veins in the body carry blood that does not contain oxygen with the exception of the veins from there. The answer is C, lungs. Question 19. The methods of purification of water containing very little impurities is, the answer is C, distillation. 20. The boiling and chlorination are used in water purifications too. Boiling and chlorination are used in water purification to A, to kill germs. Question 21. The symbol C, the chemical symbol C, is the symbol for carbon. So the answer is C, carbon. 22. The substance which is made up of the same kind of atoms. The substance which is made of the same kind of atoms is called an element. The answer is C, element. 23. Which of the following processes results in the formation of new substance? Which of the following processes results in the formation of new substances? And therefore, 23, the answer is adding saliva to cook yam, and that is chemical change. C. 24. When elements combine to form a compound, the reaction can be represented by a chemical formula. The reaction can be represented by a chemical formula. Therefore, the answer is D. 25. Which of the following organisms is likely to increase the oxygen content of water in a pond? And the answer is water lily. It's a plant. Water lily. 26. Which of the following parasites is a plant? Doda. The answer is B, doda. 27. The part of the soil that is most important for the growth of plants is, the answer is B, humus. 28. Which of the following diseases may be associated with water? The answer is B, cholera. 19. The mosquito and housefly are harmful in that they spread diseases. The answer is D. 30. Which of the following diseases affect the central nervous system? And the answer is A, cerebrospinal meningitis. Question 31. Day and night occur because the earth rotates on its axis. The answer is D. 32. Bronze is an example of alloy. Bronze is an alloy of, and the answer is copper and tin. Therefore, the answer is D. 32. Which of the following substances causes acid rain when released into the atmosphere? Which of the following substances causes acid rain when released into the atmosphere? And the answer is sulfur dioxide. 34. Which of the following gases helps in rusting? Which of the following gases helps in rusting? The answer is C, oxygen. 35. The force of attraction between molecules of different substances is called adhesive. Adhesive. The answer is A. Next one. 36. A metal block has a mass of 0.1 kg. Calculate its volume if the density is equal to 1.0 kg per meter. Remember, to find density is mass over volume. Now, we know the mass and we know the density. So to find density, to find the volume is going to be mass divided by density. Mass divided by density. Right. And therefore, our answer is going to be, if you divide 0.01 kg by 1, the answer is going to be 0.1 meters cube. 37. The food manufactured by a plant is distributed to all parts of the plant through the phylum, that is B, phylum or phleum. Some insects are able to walk on water because 1. The surface of the water acts like an elastic skin, that is C. 39. Oxygen is made available to all cells of the human body by, and the answer is red blood cells. 40. The force which pulls all objects towards the center of the earth is known as gravitational force, and the answer is C. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks to WAEC and WordPub for this support.